Welcome to English Waves. Learn English. Speak with confidence.
Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to English Waves, a place where you listen calmly, speak confidently, and improve your English step by step. Take a gentle breath. Relax your shoulders. You're in the right place. Today's session is something special. This is your shadowing speaking practice. A simple but powerful way to help you speak English out loud, with more confidence and less fear. Let me ask you something first. How was your day today? Did anything small make you smile? Did you notice yourself understanding English a little more than before? If yes, that's wonderful. You should feel proud. And if not, that's okay too. Because the most important thing is this. You are here now. Let's be honest for a moment. Listening to English is helpful, but listening alone is not enough. If you truly want to speak better English, you must use your voice. You must move your mouth. You must let the words come out, even if they sound imperfect. And I know, starting can feel uncomfortable. You might feel shy, or unsure, or afraid of making mistakes. That's exactly why shadowing works so well. Shadowing means this. You listen to me, and then you repeat after me. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the natural flow of the sentence. This is not about perfection. It's about practice. It's about helping your mouth and your brain feel comfortable speaking English. Speak slowly if you need to. Make mistakes if they happen. Mistakes are not a problem. They are proof that you are learning. Remember this carefully. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 5 minutes every day is far better than one long session once a week. So if you're practicing with me right now, you are already moving forward. Today, we will practice 30 simple sentences. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. There will be a pause. That pause is your moment to speak. Follow the subtitles. Notice the important words. And most importantly, speak out loud. Yes, even if it feels strange at first. This practice is perfect. If you are at the beginning of your English journey, no pressure, no rushing, just calm, steady progress. Are you ready? Let's gently wake up your English voice and begin. Welcome to your shadowing practice with English Waves. My name is John, and I truly enjoy helping people feel confident when they speak English. You might be wondering, why shadowing? And why this style of English? Good questions. Shadowing helps your listening, your pronunciation, and your speaking, all at the same time. When you shadow, you don't just understand English, you feel it. Your mouth learns new sounds. Your brain learns natural sentence patterns. And slowly, your English begins to sound smoother, clearer, and more confident. As for the accent, don't worry too much about it. Every English accent is valuable. The real goal is simple: to understand English and to speak without fear. So focus on the rhythm, the stress, the natural music of the sentence. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. And you're doing that right now. Before we begin, I want one small promise from you. Promise yourself that you will not give up. Not today. Not tomorrow. You can do this. Here's how it works. I speak. You listen. Then you repeat. Pause the video if you need to. Practice again if you want. Take it slowly. Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I try every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I trust my journey, even when it feels slow. I trust my journey, even when it feels slow. Excellent. You've completed your first 10 sentences. Now let's gently continue. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. I am growing, and I am not giving up. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. I build confidence, one word at a time. I get better with every practice. I understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. I show up, even when it feels hard. Every mistake teaches me something new. Amazing. You've completed 20 sentences. Take a moment. Smile. You're doing real work. Let's finish strong. Every day, I become more confident in English. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. I am proud of my progress, even when it feels small. English is not difficult. It is simply new. I learn something every time I try. I build strong English habits today. My English improves with every word I say. Small practice creates big results. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is only the beginning of my English success. You did it. 30 sentences spoken out loud. That is something to be proud of. Remember, English is not about perfection. It's about courage, consistency, and showing up. You've completed your shadowing challenge. Come back anytime. Repeat this practice. Each time, your English will feel a little stronger. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. And remember, you are capable.